Azure Key Vault implementation, Azure Key Vault, provides centralized, hardware-secured management of cryptographic keys, certificates, and secrets with granular access controls, and comprehensive audit logging that enables secure key lifecycle management across your entire cloud and hybrid infrastructure. Key management in Azure Key Vault provides hardware-backed security for cryptographic keys used for encryption, digital signing, and authentication. Hardware Security Module, or HSM, backing ensures that keys are generated, stored, and processed within FIPS 142, Level 2 validated hardware security modules. Key versioning maintains multiple versions of keys to support key rotation without breaking existing encrypted data. Automatic key rotation can be configured to regularly generate new key versions based on organizational policies. Key backup and restore capabilities ensure business continuity and disaster recovery for critical encryption keys. Certificate lifecycle management automates the complete certificate management process from enrollment through renewal and revocation. Certificate authority. And integration supports both public CAs like DigiCert and Let's Encrypt, and private certificate authorities for internal use. Automated certificate enrollment reduces manual effort and ensures consistent certificate deployment across applications and services. Certificate renewal automation prevents certificate expiration-related outages by automatically renewing certificates before expiration. Certificate deployment integration automatically distributes renewed certificates to consuming services like Azure App Service, Application Gateway, and virtual machines. Secrets management provides secure storage and access control for sensitive configuration data, including connection strings, API keys, passwords, and tokens. Secrets versioning maintains historical versions of secrets to support rollback scenarios and audit requirements. Just-in-time access policies can restrict secret access to specific time windows and approved requesters. Secret expiration policies automatically invalidate secrets after defined periods to reduce exposure risk. Integration with Azure services enables automatic secret retrieval without exposing sensitive values in application configuration. Access policies and role-based access control provide granular permissions management with conditional access and comprehensive audit logging. Key Vault access policies define specific permissions for keys, certificates, and secrets at the individual object level. Azure RBAC integration enables assignment of predefined roles like Key Vault Administrator, Certificate Officer, and Secrets User. Conditional access policies can require multi-factor authentication, device compliance, or network location restrictions for Key Vault access. Private endpoint connectivity ensures that Key Vault access occurs over private network connections rather than public internet. Key Vault integration with Azure services enables secure authentication and automated key management without exposing credentials in application code. Managed identities provide automatic authentication for Azure services to access Key Vault without storing credentials. Azure Key Vault references in App Service and Azure Functions enable automatic secret retrieval and injection into application configuration. Azure Disk Encryption integration automatically retrieves disk encryption keys from Key Vault during virtual machine boot. Azure Storage Service Encryption can use customer-managed keys stored in Key Vault for enhanced data protection control.